Hi guys, and welcome to a super quick video. This is just going to be a channel update. So what I want to talk about today is just a quick little summary of what the plans are in terms of scheduled uploads. So I've decided to actually stick to a plan and build up a plan of what my kind of weekly videos are going to be. So starting from tomorrow, I'm going to be uploading a video on Saturday, every Saturday of the week, and also I'm going to be doing like a short 1-minute video every Wednesday as well. So there's going to be a kind of short, quick video every Wednesday, and also one main video, which could be a lesson, could be a recording video, which I'm actually going to be releasing tomorrow. It could be anything. So that's going to be the new schedule. Wednesday, short lesson, Saturday, big video. So hope that makes sense, and I'm sure a lot of you are so excited by the thought of 2 videos by me every week. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. So the new one drops tomorrow, so I hope you're looking forward to that one. But until then, take care.